In this video, you will learn about the functionalities of the Share Chatbot section in our NeuroQuantum artificial platform. Go to the left panel and select the Chatbot section. You will see your chatbots on the platform, and you'll find a button called Share. Click on it. The following screen will appear. In the Share Link section, you will see your chatbot link and the option to share it publicly. In the Allowed Domains section, you must complete the whitelist to ensure the embedded NQA artificial widget works correctly. In the Allowed Emails section, you will fill in the list of emails authorized to interact with the embedded widget. These lists are shared across all widgets. Next, in the Embed section, you will find the code to place on your website. Make sure to insert it within the body tag. Finally, in the Customize section, you will find many options to aesthetically adapt the chatbot to your preferences. You can configure the header, messages, avatars, general colors, and preview the widget with various customization options. This way, you can perfectly adapt all the chatbots you create on our NeuroQuantum artificial platform. Follow us on social media as NQ Artificial.